Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the 4 most common circuit breakers and their different types and uses. First of all, what is a circuit breaker? A circuit breaker is an automatic electrical switch used to protect circuits from overloads and short circuits. It prevents equipment damage and fires by quickly shutting off power when an abnormal current flows. What is MCB? MCB is mainly used for the protection of low current circuits. When the current exceeds a set value, the MCB will automatically disconnect the circuit to prevent overloading. It is usually used in homes and small commercial facilities. What is MCCB? MCCB is suitable for medium current circuits and can handle higher current loads. With higher current ratings and stronger protection than the MCCB is suitable for use in industrial and large commercial environments. What is RCCB? The main function of RCCB is to detect leakage current and quickly cut off the power supply when leakage is detected to protect personal safety. It is usually used in wet environments or places with water, such as bathrooms and kitchens. What is RCBO? RCBO combines the functions of MCB and RCCB to protect circuits from overloads and short circuits, as well as to detect leakage current. It is a versatile protection device for a wide range of electrical systems. So why do we need to use these devices? First, they can effectively protect electrical equipment and extend its service life. Secondly, they can safeguard personal safety and prevent accidents such as electric shocks and fires. Finally, the use of these circuit breakers can improve the reliability of the power system and ensure a stable power supply. Thanks for watching. I hope you have gained a better understanding of circuit breakers. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.